Hey, this is Mike from Altair Aerial, and I'm here today with the Altair Falcon AHP Autonomous Hover and Positioning Drone, and I want to show you how to connect the flyingsee app to the drone so you can get video to your phone. So the first thing you need to do is have the drone on and connected. So you've already turned it on, turned the controller on and connected it. You'll want to have the flyingsee app installed. Now go to your settings in your phone, go to Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi, pick the UDIRC FPV Wi-Fi, connect to it. It's going to ask you, do you want to connect? There's no internet, and you'll say yes. So make sure you say yes to that, and then go to the flyingsee app. And once you're connected, you click Control, and then you can see that we have the video feed from the drone connected to our phone. So that's how you connect the flyingsee app to the Altair Falcon.